Today we discuss about the defect of vision. Defect of vision is also called defect of eye. There are mainly two types of defect of eye: myopia and hypermetropia. Myopia is called short-sightedness or nearsightedness, and hypermetropia is called long-sightedness or far-sightedness. A short-sighted person can see the near object but cannot see the distant object clearly. For example, a child having the defect of vision called myopia or short-sightedness, sitting on the back benches in the class, cannot read the writing on blackboard clearly, but he can read his book comfortably. Means person can see the near object clearly but cannot see the distant object clearly. The far point of an eye suffering from myopia is less than infinity. We know our far point is infinity, but the myopic eye far point is less than infinity. Such a person can see clearly only up to a distance of few meters. The cause for defect of myopia is short focal length of eye lens. We know when the focal length of a lens is decreased, then its converging power is increases. And the second point, the eyeball size is long, too long eyeball size. In a normal eye, the parallel rays of light coming from the object converge at the point retina to form image. But in myopic eye, this is not possible. Now see the figure shows an eye having the defect of myopia. In this case, the parallel rays of light coming from the distant object are converged to form an image eye in front of the retina, due to which eye cannot see the distant object clearly. The image is formed in front of the retina due to high converging power of eye lens and too long size of eye lens. The second point of myopic eye is eyeball is too long, due to which the distance between retina and eye lenses increases, and this is also a reason to form the image of a distant object in front of retina. Now, how to correct the defect of myopia? Since in defect of myopia, the converging power of eye lenses increases, so for correction of myopia, use the diverging lens, means concave lens. First, the concave lens is placed in front of myopic eye. Then the parallel beam of light rays coming from a distant object first diverge by the concave lens. Due to this, the concave lens forms a virtual image of the distant object at the far point F of the myopic eye. Now the rays of light appear to be coming from the eye's far point F, and then they can easily be focused by the eye lens to form an image on the retina. Now note the point that the concave lens used for the correcting myopia should be such a focal length that is produces a virtual image of the distant object at the far point of the myopic eye. Now, to remember in short, myopia. Person can see the near object but cannot see the distant object. Cause of myopia: number 1, due to high converging power of eye lens because of its short focal length. Number 2, due to eyeball being too long. Correction: used by concave lens. Another type of defect of vision is hypermetropia. A person having the defect of hypermetropia cannot read a book clearly but can read the number of distant car clearly. Near point of a normal eye is 25 cm, But the near point of a hypermetropic eye is more than 25 centimeter. Such a person has to hold the reading book or newspaper at a distance more than 25 centimeter from the eye for comfortable reading. The defect of hypermetropia is caused, number 1, due to low converging power of eye lens, means focal length of eye lens is increases, and number 2, due to eyeball being too short. Due to low converging power of eye lens, a person suffering from hypermetropia, the image of nearby object is formed behind the retina and hence the eye cannot see it clearly. In other case, in an eye suffering from hypermetropia, the eyeball is too short, due to which the distance between retina and eye lens is smaller. This condition also the formation of image of nearby object behind the retina. Hypermetropia is corrected by using spectacles containing convex lens. When a convex lens of suitable power is placed in front of the hypermetropic eye, then the diverging rays of light coming from the nearby object are first converged by this convex lens. Due to this, the convex lens forms a virtual image of the nearby object at the near point n dash of the hypermetropic eye. Since the rays of light now appear to be coming from this eye's near point n dash, they can easily focused by the eye lens to form an image on the retina. In short, hypermetropia, person cannot see the near object but can see the distant object clearly. Caused of hypermetropia due to low converging power of eye lens because of its large focal length. Number 2, due to eyeball being too small. Correction used by convex lens.